I'm going to do a quick video on Bitcoin, shitcoin. A lot of people ask when they should buy Bitcoin. Told you sell it up here. Told you don't buy it down here. I ain't even made no videos since then. There's no point. Told you Bitcoin was going in the dirt. So to keep up with what's going on with inflation, the balance sheet, how that stuff affects crypto, I got a playlist here for that stuff. And I got like specific, just I guess more technically based things talking about crypto here. So I got a crypto updates playlist, and I got an inflation and balance sheets and rates playlist there. This stuff affects the markets. So back in November, you basically had a potential double top. I had no guarantees that this would double top, but where inflation was at, where the Fed was going and stuff, it just made sense that it would double top. So then the question became, does this neckline hold? As price got down here and I saw price action and I saw more of where the Fed was going, I mean, yeah, you can trade this, but it was not something to hold and, take back up to highs. So I made videos saying that stuff, and now here we are dumping, and we dumped, flagged, dumped, flagged, and now we're breaking down right now. So I would say the first place that I would really look for any kind of support, because I really don't know if Bitcoin be truly worth it or not. I mean, I'm not here to say whether it will or won't be, because I don't know. Like, I'm not extremely knowledgeable about it. All I can do is look at this chart and tell you how the Fed, what the Fed is doing, how it affects assets, speculative assets specifically, and then just do a technical analysis on Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin gets down in this area for a retest, you're going to expect to see some kind of consolidation because you got previous highs over here. So it should at least consolidate here and maybe bounce. You get back down to these lows, um, oh, get back down to the lows down here, you probably should bounce. Now, if you just, the question becomes, how far does it go? If you break down, come all the way down here, you bounce it there. Now, every level that was acting as support is now going to act as resistance. So you're going to have to break each one of those levels, right? So now, if Bitcoin were to get down there and bounce, I would probably say there is just going to be entirely too much supply up here to break through. It could make this move though, but at the same time, Bitcoin could just dump in the dirt. So if you were to take a shot at it, and this is not financial advice, these are the only two areas where I would buy. And then at that point, it's some crazy stuff going on with people not even being able to get their crypto and their money off the apps. So I don't even know if I would legitimately even buy this. Just speaking from a technical basis, that's the two places that I would look. So if that's your thing and you're looking for it, that's my analysis. But Fed ain't slowing down no time soon. But markets can bounce in between those things. You got bear market rallies. So it wouldn't be crazy to see it try to bounce. But just keep this in mind, and just remember that they having trouble, weird stuff going on with people not being able to get their money off them apps, and them companies going bankrupt and stuff, or shutting down and stuff. So it's weird. So be very careful with crypto. But there's the analysis on it, on Bitcoin specifically, and you can trade other speculative stocks like ARK, Square, Coinbase. So if you don't want to do Bitcoin specifically because you're afraid of that stuff, then pretty much similar scenario for something like Square. They move very heavily with Bitcoin. So there you go, just some stuff, and I'll add this to this playlist. So hope